Hey everybody, do another one of my series of trains and control points. This time I'm out in the desert. I'm at Ansel, CPSP 389. We're about 8 miles south of Mojave. We have a southbound Union Pacific, and as you can see right over my shoulder here, he has a red over yellow, which means he's going to go on the siding. And I don't know if this is a whole train or the local, but I saw a train leaving way long while I was driving up the freeway headed this way, so maybe it's him, I don't know. But anyway, I don't really have any interesting stories about anything that ever happened to me at Ansel. Never really did a lot of work here. Installed some cable back when I first came to work here, and slid relays here and shot trouble here over the years, but nothing ever happened here. We are at the top of Ansel Hill. I forget what the grade of Ansel is between here and Rosamond. It's only, I think, 3 miles from here to Rosamond, but it's a pretty steep climb. But anyhow, we'll catch this train as he comes through here. Oh, it's definitely not the local. Signal go red. Noticing more and more I see open box cars on these trains. But for years you didn't see that. Kind of always invited transients to get on trains and have open box cars, so they just kept them locked all the time. Back years ago, they were open all the time. And they generally had people in them. But even though I've seen some open, I haven't seen anyone in them. And that is an eastbound UP at CPSP 389 Ansel, going in the siding. Alright, well, got the meet here at Ansel. This is the southbound that went by the west end of Ansel while we were sitting there. And here comes the westbound, northbound, whatever, and that is the east end of Ansel there that he's coming through right now. First really warm day of the year, according to the thermometer on my truck. It's 100 degrees. desert train stuff on a warm day. We are looking south down into the Antelope Valley. You can see the San Gabriel Mountains in the background. See the Tehachapi Mountains over there. Southern Sierra's headed up the Owens Valley that way. Like bulk cement cars, probably headed for Mojave. All right, big meet at Ansel. Like, share, subscribe, click on the bell if you want to be notified of future content. And we will see you all later.